Today on First Look, we'll be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now this phone hasn't been officially announced by Samsung, but there has been a leak on their Samsung website, and these images that you're looking at did come from that leak. We haven't had an official image of the front, just of the back, but YouTuber Jimmy's Promo actually got his hands on one of them, and here's the video of him showing us the phone hands-on. I can't confirm or deny it, but this video is comparing the upcoming Note to the Note that's out now. So you guys take a look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.